Yes, this is Sreelekha. I'm Shrishti's mother. Very glad that she attended this session. It was very interesting. As said by the other parents, I used to get constant feedback, and I used to hear in the background what was happening. So it was something eye opener for her. She has certain interests, scratch and everything. She used to learn, but to go through it thoroughly and get engaged with it and know what more it can do, I am really glad for this exposures. And thank you very much.